Hi everybody, it's Gemma. Welcome back to Pampered Wolf and welcome to today's video that's sponsored by Beautypie. In this video, I am going to run through some of my favourite Beautypie skincare items, and I'm also going to be talking through my opinions on some of the new products that Beautypie has on offer that I've been trialling out for the past couple of months. So I am a huge fan of Beautypie. I have personally been a member for over 2 years. I've bought gifts for people on Beautypie. I've bought the odd sneaky gift for myself on Beautypie, and I've also reviewed a lot of the Beautypie skincare and makeup line on my channel before, so I am a huge fan. But if you're unaware of who Beautypie are and what they do, let me just explain that right now. So Beautypie is a beauty members club. You pay a monthly membership fee of either £5, £10 or £20, and that gives you access to luxury products from the leading beauty laboratories all around the world. Now, Beautypie cut out the middlemen. They also cut out any retailer markups, which can often be up to 90%, meaning you get to enjoy luxury products without the luxury price tag. So there's 3 different membership tiers to choose from and 1 annual pass. Each of these will give you a differing monthly allowance, which you can then spend on your favourite Beautypie products or perhaps try something new. So the £5 tier will give you a typical price product allowance of £50 per month. The £10 tier will give you a typical price product allowance of £100 a month. The £20, £200 a month, and the annual pass of £99 for the entire year will give you a typical price product allowance of £100 per month. Now let's look at my account for just a second. If you look right down at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice that I have a remaining spending limit of £726. And that's because if you don't spend your monthly allowance in full every single month, it just rolls over to the next month, which is an absolutely fantastic feature. So let's look at one of my favorite products, which is the Super Healthy Skin Ultimate Anti-Aging Cream. This is absolutely phenomenal. I buy this for my sister-in-law all the time, and she actually placed her own order a couple of weeks ago because, I mean, I'd not bought it her for a while and she was getting a little impatient. So let's have a look at this. You'll notice that there are 2 prices. There is a typical price and there is a member's price. Now the typical price will be the price that's deducted from your monthly allowance total, but you will only pay the member's price. So if I add that to my cart now, you'll see that my remaining spending limit has gone down from £726 to £626 because I've added that to my cart. But if we go to my cart, you'll notice that my total is £13.81 because that's the member's price and that's the price that I'll pay. So the typical price is the price that will be deducted from your monthly allowance, but you'll only pay the member's price, which, you know, makes it very, very affordable. So if you're not a member of Beautypie already but you want to give it a go, make sure you check out the offer code in the description box, which will give you an extra £50 spending allowance when you first join. So I've already mentioned one of my favourite Beautypie products, which is the Super Healthy Skin Face Cream. Absolutely gorgeous, glorious, lush. Let's move on to talk about some of the new products that I've been trying out over the last couple of months. Now, Beautypie has just released their own range of supplements, which were formulated by super nutritionist K.R. Lee, who is renowned in the nutrition world. Now, this supplements range has actually started off small with the key basics, but I have a feeling that this supplements range is going to grow over time, so definitely watch that space. So let's talk first about their brand new multivitamin, which they've called Perfect Daily, which is bio-optimized multivitamins and minerals in capsule form, which is really easy to take and it's not too big. Now, this is absolutely fantastic for filling in the gaps that your diet doesn't cover, so that you know that you're getting your daily dose of vitamins and minerals, even if your diet is slightly below par, like mine sometimes is. I mean, sometimes I'm absolutely fantastic and and really focused on eating healthily. But I do have those days where I am slightly naughty, and I just feel slightly more relaxed knowing that at least on those days, even though I'm being a little naughty, I'm still getting my vitamins and minerals in my diet. So taking a multivitamin is great for immune support, and it also can boost your energy levels. And this is the area that I definitely saw a difference in within a couple of days. So that's really great. The other thing I want to mention with these, the Perfect Daily don't taste bad. Now, I have taken a lot of multivitamins in my time and most of them taste awful. These don't. Let's move on to their brand new By Omega 3. This is high pure dose wild fish oil soft gel capsules. You do not need to worry here. The soft gel capsule incorporates absolutely everything perfectly. You are not going to taste any oil and you're definitely not going to taste anything fishy. These are really pleasant to take. They're really quite small, very easy to swallow, and you're not going to taste a thing. So why take By Omega 3? Well, By Omega 3 will promote a healthy heart, healthy joints, healthy eyes, a healthy brain, although I don't think there's any helping me there, and also a healthy skin. So let me tell you my experience with taking these. Now, you won't know this because I've not publicized it, but I actually suffer from something called hyperextension, which means I have a lot of problems with my joints and keeping them in place. So they tend to dislocate quite a lot. I have a lot of problems and a lot of pain when I go on lengthy walks, which I love to do. So I have a lot of pain all the time. So since I've been taking these, I've experienced a lot less pain. So, I mean, I would have never thought to actually take these in the first place, and my doctor never told me about them, but they definitely have helped. So, I mean, if you suffer with your joints, I definitely recommend these. Also, you will have seen a couple of weeks ago that I was suffering with quite a bit of skin irritation around this area here. Now, these aren't going to stop that skin irritation from coming, but it left a lot sooner. It was a lot quicker to disappear and get better, and I definitely think that these had something, not everything, but something to do with that. So, I mean, I definitely recommend these. So finally, let's move on and talk about my favourite supplement that Beautypie have released. And I shouldn't be as excited as I am to discuss a supplement, but I am, because it's great and it's made a difference. This is their brand new vitamin D supplement and it's called Like Sun. Now, I have spoken to many high-standing nutritionists who have said under no uncertain terms, everybody in the world should be taking some sort of vitamin D supplement, especially if you live under cloud cover, like the majority of people in the UK, for 90% of the year, because we're just not getting enough sun, and if we don't get enough sun, we don't get enough vitamin D. So, you know, when we do go out in the sun, quite rightly, we protect our skin and smother ourselves in SPF. So everybody should be taking a vitamin D supplement, and this one is lovely. It's small, it's easy to swallow, it's capsulated so it goes down really well, and it's definitely making a difference for me. I was told by my dentist when I went to him with lots of mouth ulcers to start taking a vitamin D supplement because it would boost my immune system and I wouldn't get mouth ulcers anymore. And although I do still suffer with the odd mouth ulcer, that's just nowhere near as bad since I've been taking vitamin D supplements, and this one has been my favourite one so far. So let me just show you these. These are essential for balancing blood calcium levels. They are great for optimizing the immune system, which is why I love taking them. Also boosting the cardiovascular system and the musculoskeletal system. That's really difficult to say, by the way. And these are also great mood enhancement. Beautypie, Wes, thanks you. These have definitely made a difference. If you want to try these, do check out the description box. All the details will be in there, and these are definitely my favourites. Just to let you know, I have ordered their collagen powder, which is extremely popular and out of stock at the moment. I am hoping to get that in the next week or so, which I plan to mix into my daily morning yogurt, and I will update you on my progress with the collagen powder in a future video, but I will definitely be getting my hands on that very soon. So let's move on and talk about some of my favourite skincare products that you can get through Beautypie. Some of these I will have already mentioned on my channel before, but others are newbies that I absolutely adore. So this first one, it is called Fruitizyme. This is an AHA and BHA resurfacing 5-minute facial. It's lovely. You don't need to leave it on for the full 5 minutes if you're in a rush. 2 to 3 minutes will be absolutely fine. This has got glycolic acid and salicylic acid plus added quartz powder for gentle added exfoliation. I find this potent but gentle on the skin, so it's not going to be too harsh, and I really like that about this. But it does contain a fragrance, so if you are sensitive to fragrance, you're going to want to give this one a miss, but I absolutely love it. Let me show you what this looks like on the skin. So you pop a bit on the skin, you leave it on for up to 5 minutes, and then you just wipe it away and splash your skin with water to make sure none is left on the skin. This next product I have definitely mentioned on my channel before because it is just divine. This is the Japan Fusion Pure Transforming Cleanser, and it is lush. So this is a smooth and silky cream. It melts away makeup, even waterproof mascara. Let me show you the process on the back of my hand. So this emulsifies really, really easily. So you just apply a little bit to the skin, massage it into the skin, add a little bit of water to emulsify, and then wash it away with a splash of water. This is super, super luxurious, and it's also fragrance free, so suitable for even those sensitive skins. I love it. Absolutely love it. So let's move on to the next product, which is another product that I gift people all the time because it's affordable for me, but it's very, very luxurious for them. So this makes a great birthday gift for people. And I've had so many people thinking I've spent hundreds of pounds on them when actually I have not. So this is the Uber Youth Super Serum. It's got super hydrating marine complex in there. It's also full of peptides to improve skin elasticity and smoothness. It's got wrinkle fighting liposomal complex in there, and it's got other ingredients to minimize the appearance of pores and to brighten the skin. This does contain a fragrance though. Let me show you this on the back of my hand so that you can see the texture. It's really beautiful. It really just blends into the skin beautifully. It soaks in. It's just absolutely divine, and although it's got a fragrance to it, I find the fragrance quite refreshing. It's a little bit like apples. I don't know, it's lovely though. I really like it. So this next product is divine. It is completely and utterly beautiful. It's a product that I use for myself. My husband uses this, my kids use this, and I also gift this to other people as well because it's just totally lush. This is just gorgeous. This is a product called Soul Providers, and it's a relaxing bath and shower oil. It's lovely. It's a spa in a bottle. It's unbelievably divine, just gorgeous, makes my skin feel amazing, and it's full of essential oils like lavender, lemon, bitter orange, star anise, peppermint, argan oil, as well as grapeseed oil, evening primrose oil, and vitamin E. So it's seriously, seriously hydrating. It's just a spa in a bottle. It really, really is. And it's really, really lovely. So if you are not sensitive to essential oils, try this out. You will definitely not regret it. And the last product I'm going to mention in this video, I actually own quite a few of these. This one actually is unopened, but I have another 3 so that I have enough of these to alternate every single day, and also I have enough for wash days as well. These are absolutely lovely. So these are double-sided organic cleansing and exfoliating cloths. You get 3 in a pack. One side is muslin for polishing and buffing, and the other side is really gentle to take off your makeup and slightly exfoliate. These are lovely. Really, really lovely. If you're not really into acid peels, or if you're not into acid exfoliation, and you're also not into facial scrubs, you may want to try this out because these are super, super gentle, but they do exfoliate very, very nicely. So I really like these, and they're gentle enough for my kids to use as well. So I really like them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do let me know what you've thought about it in the comment section below. Would you like me to continue this series? Would you like to see more videos like this? Do have your say. Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you could share in the comment section your favorite Beautypie products with the rest of the Pampered Wolf pack, that would be absolutely fantastic as well. If you're not a member of Beautypie already and you want to join, please do make sure that you check out that offer code to get an extra £50 spending allowance when you join. Hope to see you all in the next video. Bye everyone.